How to alphabetize bullet points in Google Docs. So in this video today we are going to learn about. So let's start with the video, guys, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay, guys, so here we are. This is my Google Docs, and you can see I have some bullet points here. So this is not alphabetically arranged it. So I will show you how you can do this. So first select all the data like this. Just select and drag and select all like this. Copy it. Now come to the Google Sheet. You have to open the Google Sheet also at side tab and paste here. Then it will be paste. Now select the all data like this. Go to the data. Go to the short A to Z. It will be arranged alphabetically. You can see. Now select the again like this. Copy it. Come to the Google Docs. Select all data. Right click on it and paste without the formatting. Now you can see the all bullet point has been arrange alphabetically. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.